மவுண்ட் லிட்ராசி சீனியர் செகண்டரி ஸ்கூல் சிவகங்கை. தென் தமிழக பள்ளிகளில் முதல் முறையாக ஆகுமெண்டட் ரியாலிட்டி வகுப்புகள். பாடப்பொருட்களை கண் முன்னால் காணும் நவீன தொழில்நுட்பம்.
Hi children, today we are going to see a new lesson. Let's see this video. Can you identify this picture? Come, let's see. Wow, beautiful pretty picture. See, here it is raining. Clouds are shaking. Wow, beautiful. Can you guess what is our today's topic? Yes, you are absolutely correct. Today we are going to see a rain poem. Shall we sing? Before we sing,
Children, good morning. Today we are going to discuss a reflection of the mirror through augmented reality. See, I have kept the mirror on the flat surface. I am passing the light rays from the source. A ray which is coming from the source is called incident ray, and a ray which is passing away from the mirror is called reflected ray. And this white line, this is normal to the surface. Normal lines in the sense it is perpendicular to the reflected surface, and we can find angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Angle of incidence, how can we find? Yes, the angle between the normal and the incident ray is called angle of incidence, and an angle between the normal ray and the reflected ray is called angle of reflection.
Dear students, we are going to see about the simple present tense. Simple present tense helps us to talk about habitual action. This is Rahul. He brushes his teeth twice a day. He brushes his teeth in the morning after waking up from the bed, and he brushes his teeth again before going to bed in the night. So, he brushes his teeth twice a day. And the next one is, she is Sheila. Sheila combs her hair before going to school. She herself loves to comb her hair. Next one, this is Ravi. Ravi loves to write. He writes neatly. So when we talk about present tense habitual action, the name or he, she, it always takes verb plus yes. Then we go the habitual action of Malar. Malar drinks plenty of water. Water helps us to keep our body healthy. Rajesh has his breakfast regularly at 8 o'clock. So Rajesh has his breakfast regularly at 8 o'clock. And Ramya wakes early in the morning and she feels fresh. So friends, in this video we have seen all the habitual action in present tense. The verb carries yes when the subject is third person.
Good morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the structural and functional unit of a nervous system. It is nothing but a neuron. It is nothing but a neuron. This is nothing but a neuron. From anterior part to posterior part is collectively called as a neuron. This is the anterior part. This is a posterior part. It is called as a neuron. Okay. Then, if first of all, first from the anterior portion only. Now we are going to discuss about the primary part, that anterior part, nothing but the anterior part. Okay, whenever the organ or organ system or a cell, we have to know that the primary part or first part is called as the anterior part, or the end part is called as a posterior part. Anterior part is nothing but this area is the anterior part. Okay. Then a neuron is typically consists of three parts. One is cyton. This is the cyton. This is cyton. I mean, once again I enlarge this one. This is
दीपावली। बच्चे, दीपावली का नाम सुनते ही आपके मन में खुशी बढ़ जाती है ना? हाँ, दीपावली एक बहुत बड़ा त्यौहार है। भारत में अनेक धर्म वाले लगते हैं, जैसे कि हिंदू, मुसलमान, ईसाई, ये सब लोग यहाँ रहते हैं। पर बहुसंख्या में हिंदू लोग यहाँ रहने के कारण सबसे बड़ा त्यौहार दीपावली माना जाता है। दीपावली मनाने का कारण क्या है? हर एक त्यौहार के बीच एक ना एक कारण होता है। एक दीपावली मनाने का कारण भी एक है। दक्षिण भारत के लोग इसी कारण से मनाते हैं कि जब भगवान कृष्ण ने लोगों को कष्ट देने वाले नरकासुर को मार डाला था, उस दिन दीपावली के रूप में मनाया जाता है। पर उत्तर भारत के लोग बिल्कुल अलग हैं। जब राम ने रावण को मारकर अयोध्या में आए, उस दिन को लोग दीपों की पंक्ति लगाकर उनका स्वागत किया। उसी की याद में दीपावली मनाया जाता है। इसलिए लोगों का कारण, मनाने का कारण अलग होने के बाद भी मनाने का ढंग एक सा होता है। लोग बड़े से बड़े उठते हैं, नए नए कपड़े पहन लेते हैं और मिठाइयों को बना करके खुद खा लेते हैं और अपने रिश्तेदारों को, गरीबों को बांटते हैं। और गरीबों के भी, जो अपने घर में आने वाले गरीबों को भी उन्हें बांटते हैं। यहाँ हम देखते हैं बांटना, शेयर करना, अपने पास जितना होता है उसे शेयर करना होता है। ये चाहे अमीर हो या गरीब हो, सबके सब खुशी से जितना हो सके अपनी शक्ति के अनुसार पटाखे, नए कपड़े, मिठाइयाँ सब बना करके, खरीद करके खाते हैं, पहनते हैं।
Solar system. Usually when you start to see the solar system, what we think is it's only related to science or else social studies. But here minutely watch the revolutions, see all the planets that revolve around the sun. It moves in a right way, right path, without disturbing one another, right? Can you able to see? Yes, one by one. Yeah. So it has a fixed orbit and it's moving in its own revolution with the same speed. So everything involves mathematics. So maths along with science. Maths along with science. Without maths, nothing is possible. So every rotation is calculated. So as the earth rotates itself, we are getting day and night. So here is the earth, right? So when it rotates itself, we are getting day and night. this is the moon which you are seeing here. So moon every 29 days once, it is getting growing as we see the crescent moon and then the full moon, no moon, like that. So it rotates in a right way. So everything is calculated with the maths. So without mathematics, nothing is possible. So maths along with the science creates a tremendous changes, right? Yes. So everywhere maths is there, we can use throughout our lifetime. We'll meet you in the next class. Bye-bye. Thank you.